Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the different types of gearboxes used in automobile vehicles and how they function to provide the necessary power and torque for driving. Gearboxes are a crucial component in the drivetrain of a vehicle, as they help to transfer power from the engine to the wheels efficiently. Let's dive into the details of the various gearbox types commonly found in vehicles. 1. Manual transmission. Manual transmissions, also known as standard transmissions, require the driver to manually shift gears using a clutch pedal and gear shifter. This type of gearbox allows for greater control over the vehicle's speed and acceleration. A manual transmission typically consists of gears, shafts, and a clutch mechanism. By shifting gears, the driver can adjust the speed and torque output of the engine to match driving conditions. 2. Automatic transmission. Automatic transmissions are becoming increasingly popular in modern vehicles due to their convenience and ease of use. In an automatic transmission, the gear changes are handled automatically by a hydraulic system and a torque converter. The transmission selects the appropriate gear based on factors such as engine speed, vehicle speed, and throttle input. This type of gearbox is ideal for drivers who prefer a more relaxed driving experience without the need to manually shift gears. 3. Continuously variable transmission, CVT. CVTs are a type of automatic transmission that offers an infinite number of gear ratios, providing smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. Instead of using fixed gears, CVTs use a system of pulleys and belts to vary the transmission ratio continuously. This allows the engine to operate at its optimal speed for maximum efficiency under all driving conditions. 4. Dual clutch transmission, DCT. DCTs combine the best features of manual and automatic transmissions by using two separate clutches for odd and even gears. This allows for lightning-fast gear changes without any interruption in power delivery, resulting in improved performance and fuel efficiency. DCTs are commonly found in high-performance sports cars and luxury vehicles. In conclusion, gearbox types play a crucial role in determining the performance, efficiency, and driving experience of an automobile vehicle. Whether you prefer the control of a manual transmission, the convenience of an automatic transmission, or the efficiency of a CVT, there is a gearbox type to suit your needs. Understanding how each gearbox type functions can help you make an informed decision when choosing a vehicle that fits your driving preferences. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative content on our channel.